Over the past few months, I set out on a mission to uncover the real stories behind crypto success. I interviewed 11 self-made crypto millionaires, people from all walks of life, each with their own unique journey to wealth. Some started with nothing but a laptop and a dream, while others risked it all on a single coin. I wanted to know, what separates those who make it big from those who get left behind? So I asked them one powerful question: if you lost everything, every coin, every connection, every advantage, how would you make your first million back in crypto, starting from scratch? Their answers were honest, sometimes brutally so, and revealed the mindset and tactics that actually work in today's fast-moving market. Some of their strategies were surprisingly practical, like leveraging free resources, building networks, and focusing on education before investing a single dollar. Others were wild, involving high-risk plays, unconventional thinking, and even a bit of luck. But every answer was packed with hard-earned wisdom. To get these insights, we traveled across the globe, meeting in the skyscrapers of Dubai, the innovation hubs of Singapore, and even on private islands where deals are made over coffee and ocean views. Each millionaire shared their step-by-step playbook, revealing not just what to do, but how to think. Now, a quick disclaimer. This isn't financial advice, but what you're about to hear is the real roadmap from people who've actually built wealth in crypto, not just talked about it online. These are the lessons they wish they'd known when they started. In this video, we'll break down their secrets, the strategies that set them apart, and the biggest mistakes that nearly cost them everything. You'll learn how to spot opportunities, avoid common traps, and build a foundation for long-term success. From earning your very first tokens for free, to setting up automated systems that let your profits grow while you sleep, we've got every angle covered. Whether you're a total beginner or already deep in the game, there's something here for you. So stick around until the end, because the last tip is the one every single millionaire agreed was absolutely essential. Ready to discover what it really takes to make your first million in crypto? Let's dive in. Every millionaire said the same thing: you can't win if you don't know the rules. Don't just buy random coins, learn the basics first. Spend your first 100 hours understanding blockchain, decentralization, and smart contracts. If you don't, you'll fall for scams and miss real opportunities. Invest in your education before you invest a dollar. Knowledge is your first and best defense. Timing is everything. In the world of crypto, being early isn't just an advantage. It's the difference between catching a wave and missing the boat entirely. The market moves at lightning speed, and opportunities can appear and disappear in a matter of hours, sometimes even minutes. If you want to maximize your gains, you need to be ahead of the crowd, not following it. The biggest gains go to those who get in before the crowd. Early investors are the ones who spot potential before the hype, before the headlines, and before everyone else is talking about it. They're the ones who see the value when others are still skeptical or unaware. Don't wait for the news. Hunt for projects before they trend. This means doing your own research, digging through forums, reading white papers, and keeping your ear to the ground for whispers of innovation. The earlier you discover a promising project, the greater your potential upside. Follow top developers and VCs, track on-chain data, and stay plugged into the conversations that matter. The best information often comes from those building the future, not just reporting on it. Use tools like Nansen and Dune to analyze wallet movements, token flows, and emerging trends. These platforms can help you spot activity before it becomes mainstream knowledge, giving you a crucial edge. Join private, high-signal communities where real alpha is shared. These groups are often where the sharpest minds exchange insights, and where you can learn about opportunities long before they hit the public radar. Being early means being proactive, not lucky. It's about building a system for discovery, staying curious, and always questioning what's next. The more you prepare, the more luck you'll seem to have. Analyze, connect, and act before the masses. Network with other forward thinkers, share ideas, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks when you spot something with real potential. The best opportunities are found, not given. They're uncovered by those willing to dig deeper, ask better questions, and look where others aren't looking. Make being early your full-time job. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember, in crypto, fortune truly favors the bold and the prepared. Most millionaires started by earning, not buying, their first crypto. Airdrops reward early users, sometimes with life-changing amounts. Use new platforms, give feedback, and contribute to communities. Help moderate, create content, or test products to earn tokens. Technical? Try bug bounties or testnets. Trade your time and skills for a stake in the next big thing. Build your first stack from zero, risk-free. Don't let your crypto sit idle. Put it to work. Stake tokens to earn passive income, or provide liquidity for bigger rewards. Reinvest your earnings to compound your gains. The key is to keep your capital moving and growing. Wealth is built by reinvesting, not spending early profits. Let your money work 24/7, even while you sleep. Compounding is your secret weapon. Protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. Never share your seed phrase or click suspicious links. Research projects. Check if founders are public, code is audited, and liquidity is locked. Use hardware wallets and burner wallets for new apps. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay skeptical, stay safe. Paranoia is a survival skill in crypto. Crypto moves too fast to go solo. Build a trusted network. Your net worth depends on it. Share research, help others, and contribute value to communities. The best groups are merit-based. Prove your worth to get in. A strong team spots red flags and opportunities you'll miss alone. Collaboration multiplies your edge. Don't be a lone wolf. Find your tribe. You can't master everything. Pick a niche and go deep. Whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or gaming, become the expert in your lane. Specialization gives you an edge others can't match. Know the key players, spot patterns, and identify real innovation. Focused knowledge is your superpower. Don't chase every trend. Dominate your chosen field. Master one area, and you'll find outsized opportunities. Trading can make you money, but building creates lasting wealth. You don't need to code. Build tools, create content, or grow a community. Solve real problems and you'll attract opportunities and income. An audience or a useful tool is an asset that compounds. Shift from consumer to creator. Builders capture value long after traders are gone. Ask yourself, what can you contribute? The pros automate everything. Use bots for trading, information gathering, and alerts. Bots execute faster and smarter than any human. You don't need to code. Use no-code platforms or pre-built bots. Automation frees up your time for strategy. In crypto, speed and information are everything. If you're not automating, you're already behind. In crypto, your reputation opens more doors than money. Help others, share research, and be trustworthy. A strong reputation attracts opportunities and high-value connections. Build your name, not just your wallet. Your personal brand compounds over time. Protect it, it's your most valuable asset. Don't get lost in daily noise, zoom out. Crypto moves in cycles, bull, bear, repeat. Millionaires buy during fear, build during silence, and sell during hype. Emotional discipline is key. Don't chase tops or panic at bottoms. Plan years ahead, not days. Ride the wave, don't get crushed by it. See the big picture, and you'll outlast the crowd. Every millionaire has lost money. What matters is learning from it. Treat losses as tuition, not failure. Analyze your mistakes, write them down, and set new rules. Small losses teach big lessons. Don't fear losing, fear not learning. Each scar makes you stronger for the next round. Your trading journal of losses is your best teacher. Don't be a maximalist. Explore new chains. Every ecosystem has unique opportunities. Bridge small amounts, test new platforms, and join new communities. Diversify across chains to spot the next big thing early. The future is multi-chain. Don't miss out by staying loyal to one. Be an explorer, not a settler. More chains, more chances. Taking profits is harder than it sounds, but it's essential. Set targets before you invest and stick to your plan. Pay yourself. Move profits out of crypto and enjoy real rewards. Don't try to time the exact top. Consistently secure gains on the way up. Bulls and bears make money. Pigs get slaughtered. Have a plan, take profits, and survive every cycle. The biggest secret? Think long-term. Real wealth comes from conviction and patience, not chasing pumps. Buy during fear, build during silence, sell during hype. Use quiet times to learn and accumulate. The next bull run rewards those who plan years ahead. Play the long game. Win for life. There it is, your blueprint from 11 crypto millionaires. These individuals have navigated the complex world of cryptocurrency and emerged victorious. They've shared their strategies, insights, and secrets to help you replicate their success. Start with education. Dive deep into the world of blockchain technology and understand its potential. Get in early, identify promising projects, and earn your first stake. Make your money work for you by reinvesting your gains and compounding your returns. Protect your capital by diversifying your investments and managing risks. Build your network by connecting with like-minded individuals and industry experts. Master your niche, whether it's trading, mining, or developing blockchain solutions. Build value by contributing to the community and creating innovative solutions. Automate your processes to save time and increase efficiency. Guard your reputation by maintaining integrity and transparency in all your dealings. See the big picture and stay informed about market trends and global events. Learn from your losses and use them as stepping stones to success. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and take profits when the time is right. Most importantly, think long-term and stay committed to your goals. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan if you stick with it. Patience, persistence, and continuous learning are key to achieving financial freedom through cryptocurrency. Subscribe for more and start your journey today. Join our community of forward thinkers and take the first step towards a prosperous future.